Hi everyone, guys from nect MODEM asked me to review their innovative product, so let's go. According to developers, nect allows you to work from anywhere with a fast speed while keeping you safe from intruders. So let's have a look at what's in the box. First of all, there's the modem itself. Then there are 3 stickers to attach it to a computer. Then a charging cable. And then in case you have a newer computer with USB Type-C and other cables. Speaking about how it looks, it's very thin. I like it a lot. There's also a nice whip on top, which is useful for putting it onto a computer. Also, I really like how this logo sticks out, fairly unusual. Also, nice button on the side, a bunch of technical stuff on the bottom, and a magnetic slot on the back. Let's have a look at how it becomes a part of my computer. So we're supposed to take this magnet and attach it right here. So once we've attached the sticker to a laptop, we just put the modem on top, and then we attach the cable to a computer, then to the modem, and we're done. As soon as you connect the modem to a computer, it's ready for use. Now let me show you the SOP that will allow you to customize your nect experience to your needs. Yeah, here we can see our T-Mobile plan. If we want to add more eSIMs, we can just press this button and do this. And also there are Wi-Fi settings where we can change the password and the name of the network. That's pretty much it. Let's check its performance. I have a T-Mobile plan connected to my device. Let's see the speeds. That's really fast. Nect is doing a pretty good job. Yeah, for sure. So we've connected to Wi-Fi, and let's now try and see what the speed is. You can work with it, but it's no match for nect. And now I'm ready to try a hotspot. Taking my phone, getting into Wi-Fi settings, selecting the Wi-Fi, entering a password. Okay, it has connected. Let's see whether it's gonna work. Some YouTube video will load. Something of nature. Oh wow, it loaded almost instantly. Wow, it's pretty good, yeah. Thank you for watching. To get your nect modem, go to nectmodem.com. See ya.